everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces into beautiful havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving deep into a timeless and versatile element of garden decor, wooden container planters. So, what exactly are wooden container planters? Simply put, they are planting vessels crafted primarily from wood, designed to hold soil and plants. Unlike traditional in-ground planting, container planters allow you to grow plants in a defined space, offering incredible flexibility and aesthetic appeal. They come in a vast array of shapes, sizes, and styles, from rustic and natural to sleek and modern, making them a fantastic choice for any garden theme or small space. Whether you're looking for a compact herb garden on your balcony or a grand focal point in your backyard, wooden container planters provide a charming and functional solution. They can be standalone units, part of a larger tiered system, or even integrated into existing structures, offering endless possibilities for creative expression in your outdoor living areas. Now, why should you consider wooden container planters for your garden? The benefits are truly abundant. First and foremost, they offer unparalleled versatility. You can place them virtually anywhere: patios, decks, balconies, entryways, or even indoors if you have the right conditions. This is especially advantageous for urban dwellers or those with limited garden space, allowing you to bring greenery to concrete jungles. Secondly, wooden planters provide excellent drainage and aeration for your plants. Wood is a natural material that allows for some air circulation through its pores, which is beneficial for root health, preventing waterlogging, and promoting robust growth. Many designs also incorporate built-in drainage holes or elevated bases to further improve water management. Furthermore, wooden containers offer fantastic insulation. They help to regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter compared to metal or plastic containers. This thermal stability reduces plant stress and contributes to healthier, more vibrant plants. Aesthetically, wood brings a natural warmth and charm to any setting. Its organic texture and varying grain patterns instantly add a touch of rustic elegance or contemporary sophistication, depending on the design. Wooden planters also allow for easy soil customization, meaning you can create the perfect soil mix for specific plant needs, ensuring optimal growing conditions for everything from delicate herbs to thriving shrubs. Finally, they provide portability, especially those with wheels, and the ability to easily rearrange your garden layout as your preferences change or as plants grow and require different sun exposures. This flexibility makes them a dynamic tool for evolving garden designs. So you've got your wooden planters, but how do you make them truly shine and integrate seamlessly into your garden decor? The key is thoughtful design and a touch of creativity. Start by choosing plants that complement each other in terms of color, texture, and height. Think about the thriller, filler, spiller concept. A tall, dramatic plant as thriller, fuller plants to fill the space as filler, and trailing plants to spill over the edges as spiller. This creates a lush and dynamic arrangement. Don't be afraid to mix and match plant types. Annuals for vibrant seasonal color, perennials for long-lasting beauty, and even small shrubs for structural interest. Consider the overall aesthetic of your space. If you have a modern patio, opt for planters with clean lines and geometric plant arrangements. For a more rustic feel, embrace overflowing, naturalistic plantings with a mix of flowers and foliage. Adding decorative elements can further enhance their appeal. Think about incorporating small garden statues, decorative rocks, or even solar-powered fairy lights for an enchanting evening glow. The finish of the wood itself plays a big role. A natural stain offers warmth, while a painted finish can add a pop of color or blend with your existing decor. Remember to elevate your planters if needed, using stands or risers to add varying heights and create visual interest. And finally, don't forget the power of repetition. Using multiple identical or similar planters can create a cohesive and impactful display, guiding the eye through your garden space. Now let's get to the inspiration. Here are our top 15 best wooden container planter ideas to spark your imagination. 1. Classic raised garden bed for edible and ornamental plants. This sturdy, light-stained wooden planter offers a generous and elevated growing space, making it perfect for both edible gardens and ornamental displays. Its simple, robust design ensures durability and functionality, currently housing young vegetable plants and herbs, along with small support stakes. It demonstrates its utility for growing your own produce. The elevated design makes gardening more accessible and helps protect plants from ground pests, while the surrounding wood chips add a neat, mulched finish. 2 modern mobile planters for dynamic outdoor spaces. These elegant, long rectangular wooden planters are painted in a sophisticated light gray or white wash, offering a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Their stacked plank design adds subtle texture, while the discrete casters underneath provide exceptional mobility, allowing you to effortlessly reconfigure your patio or deck layout for different occasions or to chase the sunlight. Filled with vibrant green foliage, they bring a refreshing burst of nature to a paved outdoor area, creating a refined and adaptable green oasis. 3 sage green planters with elegant spindle accents. These charming wooden planters, painted in a soothing sage green, bring a touch of classic cottage garden style. Their subtle vertical paneling and delicate turned spindle accents at the corners add refined detail. Filled with an abundance of flowering plants in shades of pink, white, and purple, they create a soft and romantic display. Placed on a stone patio, these planters provide a beautiful pop of color and natural texture, enhancing the overall outdoor ambience. 4 long linear planter for formal landscape borders. This impressively long and narrow wooden planter is perfect for defining edges, creating borders, or adding a continuous line of greenery along a patio or poolside. Its natural unfinished wood planks are horizontally aligned, giving it a clean and contemporary look. Planted with neatly trimmed spherical boxwood shrubs alternating with pops of colorful pansies, it creates a sophisticated and structured botanical display that enhances the visual appeal of a paved outdoor area, possibly near a swimming pool. 5 stylish two-tone elevated planter with bold black accents. This contemporary wooden planter features a striking two-tone design, with natural cedar planks forming the body and contrasting bold black corner posts that also serve as sturdy legs. This elevated design raises the planting bed to a comfortable height, making it easy to tend to your plants. Filled with an attractive mix of colorful flowering plants and fresh herbs, it adds a modern and chic touch to any garden space, blending functionality with a strong design statement against a wooden fence backdrop. 6. Charming window box planter with decorative front panels. This beautifully crafted wooden window box is designed to be mounted directly beneath a window, instantly enhancing the curb appeal of your home. Its natural wood finish and angled decorative front panels add a touch of handcrafted elegance. Overflowing with a vibrant assortment of colorful annuals like zinnias, impatiens, and petunias, this planter creates a cheerful and welcoming focal point, brightening up the exterior of a brick house with an inviting burst of floral beauty. 7 rustic charm. Wooden and corrugated metal window boxes. Showcasing a delightful blend of rustic and industrial styles, these robust wooden planters feature striking corrugated metal inserts that provide a unique visual contrast. Their sturdy construction and natural wood finish make them ideal for adding character along a house exterior, nestled against a siding wall. Filled with a charming mix of ornamental grasses and colorful annuals, they create a welcoming and textural display that beautifully complements the natural tones of the surrounding landscape and stone pathway. 8 modern arched trellis planters for architectural greenery. These large, natural wood raised garden beds are artfully designed with striking black metal arched trellises extending over them, creating a truly unique and architectural statement. The trellises provide an ideal structure for vining plants to climb, forming living archways that add depth and dimension to the garden. Filled with a mix of leafy greens, vibrant flowers, and textured shrubs, these planters transform a simple garden path into an enchanting and visually captivating walkway. 9. Elevated trellis planters for vertical garden displays. These striking dark wood planters are ingeniously combined with tall, integrated trellises, offering a perfect solution for vertical gardening. The trellis provides ample support for climbing plants and hanging baskets, as seen with the lush green foliage adorning the top. The planter boxes below are generously sized to accommodate a variety of upright plants, creating a multi-layered display that maximizes planting space and adds dramatic height and structure to any garden or patio setting. 10. Ergonomic elevated garden bed for easy access gardening. This well-designed, elevated wooden planter in a dark, rich stain offers a comfortable gardening experience, eliminating the need for excessive bending. Its unique trapezoidal sides provide both stability and a distinctive aesthetic. Generously filled with a thriving assortment of leafy greens, root vegetables, and herbs, it demonstrates its practicality for growing a productive kitchen garden right on a patio or paved area. The raised height makes planting, tending, and harvesting much more enjoyable and accessible. 11. Expansive raised garden beds for productive backyard gardens. These long, well-built wooden raised garden beds, finished in a warm natural stain, are perfect for creating organized and productive growing areas in a backyard setting. Positioned alongside a rustic wooden fence, they provide ample space for a variety of plants to flourish. Here you can see thriving tomato plants with support stakes and other leafy greens, demonstrating their effectiveness for growing vegetables and herbs. The raised height not only makes gardening easier on the back, but also helps to define planting zones within a grassy lawn. 12. Sleek black planters for modern patio dividers. These contemporary wooden planters are painted in a striking matte black, offering a sophisticated and minimalist aesthetic. Their clean lines and horizontal plank design create a sleek border, perfect for defining a patio space or acting as a visual screen from a deck railing. Filled with uniformly trimmed green shrubs, they provide a dense, low-maintenance privacy solution or a continuous line of vibrant foliage. The subtle addition of round decorative lights adds a charming glow, making them attractive day and night. 13. Tiered succulent planter for compact vertical displays. This ingenious wooden planter design features a stepped, multi-level arrangement of individual square compartments, perfect for creating an eye-catching vertical display in a small space. Crafted from light, natural wood, its geometric structure beautifully showcases a collection of diverse succulents, each nestled in its own section. This compact and artistic planter allows for optimal drainage and sun exposure for each plant, making it an ideal choice for patios, balconies, or even indoor arrangements where space is at a premium. 14. Rustic wine barrel planter for bold garden arrangements. This charming planter is crafted from an authentic repurposed wooden wine barrel, complete with its original metal bands, exuding a rustic and vintage appeal. Its substantial size provides a generous canvas for creating a lush, multi-seasonal floral display. Overflowing with a vibrant mix of colorful annuals like sunflowers, cyclamen, and various foliage plants, it acts as a stunning focal point in a grassy backyard. The rich textures and colors bring a lively, traditional touch to any garden setting. 15. Unique tapered wooden planter for striking entryways. This distinctive wooden planter features a unique inverted trapezoid or tapered design, giving it a modern and architectural flair. Crafted from rich, natural wood, its clean lines and angular form make it an immediate statement piece. Tall, lush green plants fill the planter, adding height and vibrant foliage, while delicate trailing vines cascade over the edges, softening its strong silhouette. Positioned on a mulched bed with a contrasting green bucket nearby, this planter is perfect for framing an entryway or creating a bold vertical element in a contemporary landscape. And there you have it, 15 incredible ideas for incorporating beautiful wooden container planters into your outdoor decor. From adding a rustic touch to creating a modern statement, these versatile planters offer endless possibilities to elevate your garden design. Remember, the beauty of wooden planters lies not just in their aesthetic appeal, but also in their ability to provide a healthy and adaptable environment for your beloved plants. We hope these examples have given you plenty of inspiration to start your own wooden planter project. Which of these wooden planter ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and practical tips to create the garden of your dreams. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and happy planting!